We've had babies before, so it wouldn't be the worst. We have,
He's like, what's going on here?
and
So what's the bird's
stuff
name?
like that.
Oh, we're gonna take home Reddies.
I'm gonna go look at that.
Say hi.
Again.
Oh, absolutely.
Say hi. Don't
I'm
kill
not
me.
rushing you by
No,
any
I
means.
know.
Say
I'm just trying to decide.
All my two
Say hi. No, goodbye. Can I just, hi babies. What you doing? Can we take you two home? I want to take you two home. Probably gonna take you two home. For the heck this is, oh, I know you are. You're a turtle. I thought you were fake when I first saw you. Can I say hi? Yeah, no, evil flies. What? Oh, cool. I can post this now. How you doing? You showing off for the camera? Don't kill me. Hi. Hi. Yeah, he's like, no. Don't like you, human. Hi. Hello. Can you say hello? You said it earlier. You said it earlier. If you attack me, I'm not going to be happy, okay? Exactly, that's my point. I'm talking to a bird. Hi.
They're the best.
Oh, no.
Closing.
Guinea pigs.
Mary has her pets up here.
Guinea
We have dogs at home.
Oh,
But
no.
Jafar, that was the one thing.
Oh, as I knock you out with my sunglasses.
Oh, no. Mom.
Do another box like this. You said you had a far right.
Hello, baby.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, sorry. Hello. How you guys
I'll put it
doing?
up front.
Okay, I think we're not, because I'm not.
Hello, fishies. How you doing, fishies? Fishies. Ooh. I don't know if I'm allowed to be back here. And recording. You look like Bob the Fish. All of you remind me of Bob the Fish. Ooh. Why are these so cool? Can't get me now, bird. You can't get me now. Mr. Turtle.